Our lesson name is numbers with three digits. Numbers with three digits. Numbers with three digits. In our previous class, we learned expanded form. Today we are going to solve short form. Today we are going to solve some problems depending on short form. It's page number 40. Page number 40. Yes, students, all of you on page number 40.
Okay, students. Lesson number 3, number with digits. Page number 40, question number 6. Write the number in the short form. Write the number in the short form. In the short form. See example given in page number 40, that is 600 plus 40 plus 9. First, we locate the place values 1, 10, 100, 1, 10, 100, 600, again 1, 10, 40, only one 9. Yes. The sign is addition. Put place. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 9, 9, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus only 6 is there, 6. This answer is 649. The short form is 649. 600 plus 40 plus 9 equal to 649. Now second one. A. 700 plus 30 plus 6. What is the short form of 700 plus 30 plus 6? First, we look at the place values 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. Here 1, 10, only 1.
10, 0,
1. 0, 0, 7. 700. 30, 0, 3. Only one, that is 6. The operation is addition. Put plus. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 3, 3, only 7. 736. The short form of 700 plus 30 plus 6 is 736. Okay, so remaining B, C, D, E are homework for you. That is page number 40. Please, you have to solve this problem. in your running notes or in your textbook. Now we are going to learn question number 7. Expand the given numbers and write each one in words. Question number 7, page number 41. Question number 7, page number 41. Here, expansion. Expansion in words, nothing but number name. Number name or in words. Write each one in words. First number is 175. 175, the expanded form 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1 into 100, 100. Plus 7 into 10, 70. 5 1, 5. 1 into 100, 100. Now 7 into 10, 70. 5 into 1, 5 ones are 5. This is the expanded form 100 plus 70 plus 5. Yes. Number name or in words 100, 100 and 75. One hundred and 75. This is the first one. Over, example over. Now, question A, 782. The number is 782. Locate the place value 1, 10, 100. The digit in 100 place is 7. 7 into 100. 700. Plus 8 tens. 8 tens. 80. Plus 2 ones. 2 ones. 2. The extant form of 782 is 700 plus 80 plus 2. As number name or in words 782. 700 and 82. These are in words or number name. 782. Now B1. 976. 976. First we look at the place value of the digits in the number 1, 10, 100. The digit in 100 place is 9. 900. 900. The digit in 10th place 7, 10, 70. Now the digit in 1 place is 6. 6 ones are 6. 900 plus 70 plus 6. 976. In words or number name is 900 and 76. Example over A over B over remaining C, D, E are homework. These homework write in your running notes or in textbook. And now question number 8. Same page number 41, question number 8. Now, question number 8. Question number, write the following number given in word using digits. Question number 8. Write the following numbers given in words using digits. Question number 8, page number 41. Question number 8. First one, 143. This is the example. One hundred and 43. A given number name, we are write number by using digit. 143. 100. First we locate the place values 1, 10, 100. 100. 1. 40. 40, 10. 4, 3. This one. The number with digit is 143. 143. Now, question A. 258. 258. First we locate the place values 1, 10, 100. 200. 200. 2 is a digit in 100. 2. 50. 50. 50 means 5 tens. 5 digit in 10th place. 8. 8. Only single digit, that is 1. 258 means 258. The number form with digit 258. 258. Now, question B. Question B. 305. 300 and 5. 305. First we look at the place value 1, 10, 100. 305. See, in 100, what is the digit? 300. 3. 3. And 5. Only 5. Single digit 5. That is in 1. There is no 10. There is no 10 means we have to insert 0. 305. Otherwise 300 means write 300 and only 5. 5. We can add 5. 0 plus 5, 5. And here only 0 and only 3. 305. This is a digit forming with number name, that is 305, 305. Okay, students, remaining C, D, E, F, G are homework for you. This homework do in your running notes or textbook. That is your wish. Now next we are going to question number 9. That is page number 42. Yes, all of you open page number 42, question number 9. Page number 42, question number 9. Solve the following problem. Yes, solve the following problem. First one, write 3 numbers in digit using 4, 6 and 9. We generate numbers by using 3 digits, that is 4, 6 and 9. Yes, question number 1. Write 3 numbers. Write 3 numbers in digit using 4, 6 and 9. Here 3 numbers are given, that is 469, 694, 496. These given 3 numbers were generated by 4, 6 and 9. We are write remaining 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 469 is over, 694 is over, 496 is over. Yes, now we are at the remaining 3 numbers with the digit 4, 6, 9. 469 is over, 496 is over. Here 100 position is, the digit in 100 place is 4, 4 over. Next, the digit in 100 place is 6. Now 6. Here 94. We can write reverse. 49. 649 is one number. Next. Now we take the 9 digit in 100 place. Right? 9. 9. Remaining 2 numbers, 2 digits are 44, 6. 46 and write that 46 reverse. 64. 946 and 964. These are our required 3-digit number forming with 4, 6, 9. This is the answer. 649, 946 and 964. This is the question number 1 over. Now question number 2. Write the 3 numbers that have 5 in the 100 place. Write 3-digit numbers, or write 3 numbers Write three numbers that have five five in the hundred place. 5 in the hundred place. Write three numbers that have 5 in the hundred place. We are given one number 502. We have to write remaining number 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, see the location of place values 1, 10, 100. Yes. 5 in the hundred place. Here 5 is hundred place. Here 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. Yes. The digit 5 in hundred place. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. We have to fill up the digit in tenth place and ones place, that is our wish. Here not asking anything. Here given only one clue, that is 5 in the hundred place. Here 502 is given. Now next number is 503, 504, 505, 506, 507. Or these answer from 502 to up to 599. You can write any number 503 to up to 599. Our main theme is the digit 5 in hundred place. Remaining 10, 100, we can write our wish. What are the digits are 10 and 1. Now question number 3. Now question number 3. Write 5 numbers between 80 and 90. Write 5 numbers between 800 and 900. They must have 5 in the 10th place. Yes. See. Write 5 numbers between 800 and 900. They must have 5 in the 10th place. write 5 numbers between 800 to 900. They must have 5 in the 10th place. They are given one number, that is 856. Yes, here look at the place value 1, 10, 100. The digit 5 in 10th place. We have to write remaining numbers. Yes, our condition is the digit 5 in 10th place. First we look at the place values 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. Our condition in this question, the digit 5 in the 10th place. Yes, here 5. Here 5. Here 5. The digit 5 in 10th place. Over. Our required numbers in between 800 and 900. Okay? We not across that 900 and we should not write below 800. Means our numbers are in 800 to 900. 800 means the digit in 100. 1, 10, 100. The digit in 100 is 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. Okay? Now 850, 850, 850, 850, 850. Here 856 given. Okay? We have to write the digit in one place. Our wish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 851, 852, 853, 854, 855. These numbers in between 800 and 900. This is our answer. Okay? We generate 3-digit number with condition the digit 5 in 10th place. Our answers are in between 800 and 900. Our answers 851, 852, 853, 854 and 855. This is our answer. See here, same page number 42. Fourth one, identify between which number the given number lies with a right symbol. Look at the example. Identify between which number the given number lie. Lie means being in between. Write a right symbol like at the example. Yes. Now question number 4. Identify between which numbers the given number lie with a right symbol. Look at the example. Now I will explain only one example. See this example. We are given example, that is in question number 4. 885. This number lies in between which two numbers? See, your options are given 800 to 850. And one more option 850 to 900. And the final option 750 to 800. Yes, your given number is 885. This number lies between which two numbers? 800 to 850 is given. And next option is 850 to 900. And the final option is 750 to 800. See, 885. 885. Read numbers. See, 800. Starting 800 to 850. But here 885. Next option is 850 to 900. If you read numbers from 850 to 900, compulsory you will get this number 885. It is not correct and this option is not correct. The correct option is 850 to 900. This is our correct answer. That is the fourth example. 885 lies in between 850 to 900. See, one more method, 1, 10, 100. The digit in under place is 8. Here, there, here also there, here also there, here also there. Next. The digit in tens place, 8. There is no 8. There is no 8. There is no 8. Here 5. It is nearest to 8. Means 8, 850. 885. We count number from 850 to 900. You will get 885 in between 850 to 900. It is one more solution. Next, A1. 632. This number lies between in which two numbers? 600 to 650. This is the first option. One more second option. 650 to 700. The final option is 700 to 750. See, 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. In the given number, the digit in 100 place is 6. Here is there, here is there, here is there. There is no digit 6, there is no digit 6. Means our answer lies in between here or here. It is not. 32. Yes, the digit in tens place is 3. Yes, tens place is, there is no 3, there is no 3. Here 5, it is not correct. Here 0, it is not correct. Maybe our answer lies in between 600 to 650. If we read numbers from 600 to 650, we will get our correct answer 632 here only. 632 is in between 600 and 650. This is our correct answer. We count from 600 to 650. 601, 602, 603 up to 650. Our number 630 is in between 602 and 650. That is our 630 number is here. This is the correct answer. Okay, students, you count the number, which one is required, you will get the answer in between given two numbers. You try B, C, D, E homework. Tomorrow, in our tomorrow class, I will start. That is question number 10. We will write some patterns using 5 numbers, and one more matching also is there. Okay, students, tomorrow class we will learn more problems. Okay, students, goodbye.